This is the Scion XB roof. If you see here, there's still a lot of imperfections here that we need to sand down. Like I said before in the other video, we don't have to go all the way to the bare metal, which we're doing here. Right here, that's bare metal. You see here, you can see that gray primer, and this is the metal, bare metal right here. So we don't have to go all the way down there, but you know, obviously all these imperfections come off. You know, it has to feel smooth. So because when we prime it, you're gonna be able to see every single detail. So we need to, you know, like finished sanding, you know, down everything. So this is how it looks right now, and I think we're doing some progress. You see that is really bad. But you see here, he's getting there. He's getting there. Just a little more, and we'll be good. All this has to come out. Yeah. Over here, it looks amazing. It looks good right here. So, yeah. It feels smooth all the way here. So you can totally see the difference. So we're just preparing it for paint on the roof. So I still have to work on that. See that? It was peeling before. All the clear color was peeling, so it had to be removed. I just finished sanding all the roof of the Scion XB. You see that? The patina. This is ready for primer. We're gonna prime it, and then the primer actually is gonna show us more imperfections, more details. So it's another step. We're gonna prime it and then see how it looks. If it doesn't show any imperfection, I think it's gonna be ready for paint. So this is how it looks, you know, like and feel. There's no more bumps or anything like that, you know, less scratches or anything like that. It's just, it feels smooth. So, ready. So this. I think I'm really happy on how it turned out. See that? It's just the roof is ready for primer. Beautiful. So all the clear coat is gone and all the imperfections is gone. So next step, we're gonna work on the sides of the car. I already started doing it right here, but it's getting dark, so we're gonna leave it for another day.